Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jimmy, and in today's video I want you to say hello to Cynus. This is your portable AI chess robot from Manya. Now this is everything you need. This is portable, it's easy to set up. You have your chess board, you also have your AI robot arm, which uses AI vision to play across this entire board. You have 8 different challenging levels, so you can go to level 1, which is beginner, all the way up to level 8, which is going up against a Grandmaster. What I love the most about this is not only the fact that it's portable and you have up to 10 hours of gameplay on this, but it's the fact that I can now play chess again. I used to play chess back in the day, but as of right now in my situation inside the household, nobody knows how to play chess. So for me, this is perfect to where I can get back into it and then also improve my skills. But it's also perfect for anybody who has never played chess before, because you can use this to learn and go through the whole landscape of playing chess from all the levels from 1 all the way up to 8.
So that horse guy is going to kill my pawn because you can move like an L. What I want you to do is move this pawn right there. That pawn, yep, move it up 1. Nope, right there, yes. Okay, now hit the button. Okay, now just watch. All right, okay. So at least we blocked that one from hurting us.
For transparency purposes, this is a paid review, but it's only the fee to be shown on this channel. So I'm not influenced by script or what to do, what not to do. The only information given to me is the notes of the differences between the pre-production and the better post-production that you guys would be getting. I'm actually looking on the Kickstarter page here just to get a few additional notes on anything that wasn't already learned from playing and using this product. So this just gives me the opportunity to give you guys a full, authentic review and my experience with this product. Now, what I love about this AI arm is that it can see the entire board. Now, what I did here was I flip-flopped our pieces. Normally, you will play with white, then he always plays with brown. Also, you'll be able to notice that it's connected. You'd be able to choose whichever difficulty you would like by pressing and holding on your timer button. So right now, I'm just waiting for it. Here I can choose level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm not that good, so I'm going to go back down to 1. And just to prove that he can see the entire board, I'm going to make my play this way. And some people do actually like playing this way as well. So now that I've made my move, indicated that it is now his, he's able to make his move. Again, proving that he can see the entire board because it recognizes his pieces versus mine. And also this AI arm, he is a character within himself. You're able to watch his eyes. He's either thinking, or he could be angry, he could be happy, or he could be falling asleep because you're taking too long to make a move. One thing I would like to mention about these storage containers is that mine is pre-production, so this is not what you will have on the final product. Yours will be improved with a latch. So this way, when you place your pieces in, you will latch it up, similar to the chessboard itself. So right now, sometimes when I open up my chessboard, the top just comes off because this is not, sticky enough to hold it. But when it comes down to the organizational portion of it, this thing is perfect because it just puts everything in order. So your pawns, and then you got your rook, and then you will have your knights, then your bishop, then you're going to have your queen, and then also the king, and everything fits in perfect. Again, yours will be improved over mine. I just lay mine on, and then I kind of just push right here to make it stick. Yours will have a latch. And also, when it comes down to this chessboard, there will be a application for you. Currently, I don't have the application to create any customizations. So I'm just playing as regular free mode. Nothing I can change via an application yet, but there will be one. When it comes down to charging, on the back end of your robot arm is your USB Type-C port. So with 2 hours of charging, it'll get you up to 10 hours of gameplay. Attaching the AI robot arm with the chessboard is magnets as well as those metal prongs, where they will just attract to each other and snap into place. Now to expand on those 8 different difficulty levels, what I mean by that is that it's using the world-renowned Stockfish chess engine that is built in. And so basically Cynus is ready for you to play any of those 8 different difficulty levels from ELO 400 through 2500. Again, just right from this board. For anybody who is a developer, Cynus's open source protocol is using Bluetooth Low Energy 5.1, so it allows anybody who does any type of coding to build their own features and also write your own scripts, and then you can also link it to the favorite chess apps or sync it to platforms like Lichess or chess.com. There are two different types of game modes with this. So you have free mode, which is more relaxed and there's no timers, just a lot of animations and all the time in the world to play your game of chess. But then you also have match mode, which is more tournament style, and there is a timer for you and your AI assisted robot. The only side note that I have with this one here, especially when you play outside, is just watch out for all of the shadows. So if it's super bright outside and it's sunny and there's absolutely no clouds, and if the sun is kind of moving away, casting shadows on the chess pieces, because everything is all AI powered vision, it might be thinking that you're picking up a piece or not picking up a piece. So it could have a little bit of a problem there, but just make sure that you're in a well lit condition, maybe indoors. Or if I am outside and it's completely cloudy, or I'm underneath a closed off pergola, as long as the light is looking good and I don't have shadows being casted everywhere, everything is fair game and perfect. One nice feature that Cynus is equipped with is resume any game position, which means that if you stop playing a game at this moment in time, maybe you need to take a break, take a lunch or whatever, if you power them down, power them right back on, as long as everything is in the exact same position, all the connections was all there, you didn't do any disassembly or anything like that, you're able to resume your gameplay. If you are interested in your very own portable AI-powered chess robot, I will be placing this link below the video inside the description. For the unboxing, you'll have everything inside of the box. You will have everything surrounded with foam as well as plastic. Now, once you take all of that off, your carrying case is your chessboard itself. Now, once you open this up, you will find everything from your robotic arm to all of your chess pieces for yourself and the robot themselves. Now, inside of here, everything is categorized perfectly. It has your pawns, and then it puts everything else in the category of everything in order. You also have your user manual. This is the robotic arm. And on the backhand side, that is where you have your Type-C charging ports. This way you'd be able to give this thing a charge. Now, you will be playing with whites and browns, and your version of these cases are improved versus this pre-production. Now, once you close this up, you're able to walk around and have it completely portable. So my final thoughts on this is almost the exact same of what I said at the beginning of this video, which is it's perfect for anybody to get back into chess, especially if there's no one around you who knows how to play. Also, it's perfect for anybody who would like to improve their skills. Again, going through the ranks of at least with this AI robot arm here, with all of its AI vision of the entire board, going from level 1 all the way up through level 8. And again, it's also perfect for anybody who is brand new, who has never played before, but they want to learn, they read up on the rules, figure out everything that you can do, and then you're able to play with this board anywhere in your home, outside. You can take it to a friend's house. So again, this is just one of those situations where it's portable, it's easy to set up, you have 10 hours of gameplay with it, and so you can take this with you, everything you need to play chess, and you don't have somebody else to do it with, but also you have your own personal teacher. It's right here with Cynus. But hopefully you guys have appreciated this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.